Can we unfollow everyone on Instagram at once? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, you will need to open up your Insta. So do that. Then head over to your profile on the bottom right. Then there you'll find the following option on the top right. Tap on the following page, option. Then there you'll find everyone that you follow. So here you can see that there is no button or there is no way you can actually see or find any option that says unfollow all. What you can do is tap on the three dots and then tap on unfollow there. So like this and this, and with that you have just unfollowed one person. So Instagram actually does not have an unfollow all option in the app. There is no way you can mass unfollow everyone at once. So yeah, there is no feature like that right now. Although you can't unfollow people, at once, what you can do is you can keep on unfollowing them, one by one, and that's the only way you can do this. So yeah, just go ahead and start unfollowing people one by one, and that's the only way. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.